Good day, everyone. Do you know that our body parts can serve as great tools in learning mathematics? In today's video, we'll use our hands to multiply numbers, specifically multiplying numbers 6 to 10. First, we need to assign number 6 to 10 to our fingers. On the left hand, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. On the right hand, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. To demonstrate this method of multiplying numbers, let us consider an example. We say 6 times 8. On the left hand, we look for 6. This is 6. While on the other hand, we look for 8. This is 8. Connect these fingers together. These connected fingers and the fingers below them are counted as 10. Let us count the number of fingers beneath these connected fingers and the connected fingers themselves. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 fingers. Since these fingers are counted as 10, then it is corresponding to 40. Next, we count the number of fingers above 6 on the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. We count the number of fingers above 8 on the right hand. 1, 2. We have 2. Multiply these numbers. 4 times 2. And this is equal to 8. So, 40 plus 8 equals 48. Thus, the product of 6 and 8 is 48. Again, 6 and 8 is 48. Let us take another example. Let us say 9 times 7. Again, look for 9 on the left hand of yours. This is 9. And 7 on the right hand. This is 7. Connect these fingers together. Count the number of connected fingers and the ones down them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's 6. This corresponds to 60. On the left hand, count the number of fingers above 9. It's 1. On the other hand, count the number of fingers above 7. 1, 2, 3. It's 3. Then multiply these numbers. 1 times 3 is 3. So we have 60 plus 3 is equal to 63. Hence, the product of 9 and 7 is 63. Again, the product of 9 and 7 is 63. Multiplying numbers 6 to 10 using our hands is amazing, isn't it? I hope you learned something in this video. That's all for today. See you next time.